everyone, I'm Sevinch from Kaya Academy, and today I'm going to talk about how to temporarily disable your Instagram account. Want to take a break from Instagram? That's perfectly reasonable. Instead of deleting the app or your profile, try temporarily deactivating your Instagram account. And when you can come back in a month, everything will be just as you left the social network. Temporarily disabling your Instagram account erases your profile from the social network for the period of time that you want off the site, and your Instagram URL will become invalid. Users won't be able to find you in search, and they also won't be able to contact you. And these features will be restored when you reactivate your account. You can temporarily deactivate your Instagram account no matter if it's a personal account, creator account, or a business account. Oddly enough, you can't disable your account from the Instagram app on iPhone or Android. You'll need to use the Instagram website instead. And start by opening the Instagram website on your desktop or smartphone browser and log in with the account that you want to disable. Next, go to your Profile tab and select the Edit Profile option. So, at first, just go to your profile and then tap Settings, and here you can just see Help button and tap Help button there and go to the Help Center. And this way you can just see the Managing Your Account. Tap here, Managing Your Account, and then here you just need to select Delete Your Account, and then you can just see the answers here. How do I temporarily disable my Instagram account? So from there you'll just tap instagram.com and you'll just go to the website from here, and then tap your profile and tap the settings, and you can just see at the bottom of the screen, temporarily disable my account. Tap this one, and then Instagram will now ask you the reason for deactivating your account. You can select a reason from the drop-down menu, and if you don't want to provide a particular reason, select something else option. There are so many reasons there. You can just choose something else option and done. And then after making the selection, enter your password for Instagram. And for a second time, tap on the blue temporarily disable account button found at the bottom of the screen, and Instagram will ask you to confirm for the third time that you want to proceed. And from the pop-up, tap on the yes button, and your Instagram account will now be disabled, and you'll be logged out of the Instagram app on your smartphone. To confirm, you can try searching for your Instagram username, and Instagram will either tell you that the user doesn't exist or that they haven't posted anything yet. And how can you reactivate your Instagram account? You can come back and reactivate your disabled Instagram account at any time. All that you'll need is your username and your password. And if you've forgotten your password, you can try resetting it. And open the Instagram app on your iPhone or Android device, or visit the Instagram website. And then sign in with your Instagram username and password. Instantly, your account will be restored to its former glory. And for additional security, you should change your Instagram password after reactivating your account. And that's it. Thanks for watching. I think that's it for now, and have a great day.